Hi Plato. Hello, how are you? You good? You fine? Lovely. Plato, today we're going to go back to the farm animals. Can you remember the farm animals? Remember the duck, the dog, the cat, the cow, the rabbit, and the rooster, and some more pictures that will come down. What we're going to do today, Plato, we are going to see what noise do these animals make. You noticed? No Peter. He's been a good boy, so he's off the wall. Stuart's up there, though. He's always naughty. Peter. Let's see, where's Peter? Oh, who's this coming now? Hello, Plato. How are you? Okay, we're going to do the noises of the animals today. All the sounds they make, Peter. Okay, maybe Peter can help us. Let's see. All right. Okay, Plato, let's go. The first animal is a duck. Plato, do you know what noise a duck makes? Yes, quack, quack, quack. A duck quacks. And a dog? What noise does a dog do? A dog barks. The noise a dog makes is woof, woof. A cat meows. Yes, cat goes meow. A cow, the sound a cow makes is moo. Alright, let's see if we can moo like a cow. Moo. Right? Yeah, I have been on a farm. Okay. Oh, and a rabbit. Help me here, Peter doesn't know. Do you know what noise a rabbit makes? You don't? I don't either. Oh, but I do know what a rabbit likes to eat. A rabbit likes to eat carrots. Yes. A rooster. A noise the rooster makes. A rooster crows. Can you crow like a rooster? Let's try it together. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And something like that. Alright, let's see the next 6 animals we did the other day. Alright, we got a little twirly whirly. The pig, right? What noise does a pig make? A pig goes oink. Oink, oink. Good. And there's your turkey. Now, Stuart. Alright, your turkey. What does a turkey say? Gobble, gobble, gobble. Again. Gobble, gobble, gobble. Alright. No, that's someone fell off his horse. Don't worry about that. Okay. There's your horse. And a horse neighs. A horse goes, nyeh. Can you go, nyeh? Yes, that's good. Oh, and we now have the sheep. The sound the sheep makes is ba, ba. Right? A sheep bleats. Good. And then we've got the goose. Okay? You can see the goose. Right? And the goose goes. They try and make themselves very scary. I'm scared of geese, yes. And then we have a goat. What do you see with this goat? Goat has got a beard, yes. And a goat has got horns. Look at the horns. And a goat goes nearly like a sheep. Bah, bah, bah. Right? That is our farm animals and the sound the farm animals make. We will follow up. We'll do some more lessons on the farm animals. and we'll see what happens in the next video. Okay, bye-bye, Plato. Say bye-bye to Peter. Peter says bye-bye to Plato, and Stuart says bye-bye. Alright, have a nice day. Ciao.